know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, we're back in full effect making videos. I got videos lined up, so they should be coming out maybe a little bit more consistently, but school is kicking my butt right now as usual, but that will not stop us from making content. Per usual, like I do in almost any video, it's basically about the same thing. I do unboxings, some hype releases, and we could talk about it, and also on feats. I love doing these unboxing videos as well, so let's just get right into what we just got here real quick. And note that this is all the way from like Twitchcon and to now. So I picked up some cool stuff at Twitchcon, and I picked up some cool things along the way as well. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so first what we have here is just nothing too crazy. It's just like a Twitchcon shirt right here. You see the design and everything, just has Twitchcon and San Diego exclusive. So it's funny because I was actually at the place where you get all the merch and everything, and I was thinking to myself, I wonder if these things kind of resell because they are exclusive, but I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to be just straight up hustle mode over there. I was just there for like mainly vacation and just vlogging. So I picked up a really cool shirt. I think it's not too bad. The only thing that really bothers me is this tag because it always keeps flipping up, but I might just cut it. But it's not too bad of a tee. I really like the design that they put on it. Nothing too crazy. It's like the thank you bag kind of style, but just San Diego. And you have the TwitchCon 2019 logo on it. So not too bad of a pickup if I say so myself. And yeah, I've actually worn this a couple times, so yeah. Keep the drip. Alright, so another thing that I picked up along the way, I went to H&M there as well. Fashion Valley Mall, I think is what it's called. So I also picked up some socks and a white, just like a plain old white tee. I didn't put this white tee in the video because there was a stain on it, but your boy got it out. So that's all that matters, and that's just doing its processing right here. And I also got these little cool sushi socks because I needed more socks, and I like socks that have designs on them. So I was like, why not sushi? Sushi's dope. I love it. Give me all that. It's delicious. You need to cop a pair too. You know, my sock game's not on point as of right now, but I'm looking more into doing that. So hey, on feats with socks maybe? I don't know. Alright, so we'll start with this. This I got recently at Foot Locker. They did like a little thing real quick, and I was like, you know what? Why not? I never really got one before, so I didn't mind picking it up. I'm kind of upset at the fact that they were sitting though, because I thought they were going to be kind of limited, but they're still sitting, I think, till this day, so I could have avoided that shipping price. Oh yeah, they got everything right here. What's up with this box? I ain't never seen a type of box like that before. But yes, we got a little pop Funko. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's gonna show on the camera because the camera's like super hyper trash right now. But yeah, you have like a little Michael Jordan little thingy-majigger, you know, because that's just how we rockin'. But I got a little pop Funko. I thought it was really cool. It's just a bronze Michael Jordan. Basically, it's a Foot Locker exclusive. That's what it says right here. But I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was pretty neat to pick up for my room because I don't really have a lot of designs in my room. Not only that, it's kind of messy at my desk right now because school, and I want more cool aesthetics and more items around my room. So that represent what I do. I thought it was a really cool pickup. This might be sold maybe in the future. I don't know yet, but we'll just have to see. So if you went to TwitchCon, you got like a little cool TwitchCon little cup. Let me open this up for y'all. So you guys get this little cool Twitch cup and everything. So I thought it's really cool. I thought it was really neat. This is like one of those workout bottles that you put protein in and then you just shake it. Yeah, it's definitely like one of those. It has a thing too. I'm not really sure what this is for. I think you just shake it and it does it on its own, I guess. I picked up a cool TwitchCon cup. Well, didn't pick it up, but it came with cool TwitchCon cup if you went, and I think it's pretty cool. If you guys have Twitch Prime, you get a cool Twitch Prime pin as well. And if you guys played Rocket League as one of their scavenger hunts, you get like a little cool keychain. I'm probably gonna put that on sooner or later. You also get like a cool Honda like pin, and I think it's the, what kind of Honda is this? Is this the Civic? Huh. But you get a cool little pin, and it's officially partnered by Team Liquid. So, see right there. I'm probably gonna put this on like my shoulder bag or whatnot, but I do need more shoulder bags, and I'm still looking into that. I don't know why I still haven't, but I need to get another shoulder bag because the one I have back here is kind of worn down, so I need another one. And I got some cool Magic the Gathering like cards. I'm not really into Magic the Gathering that much, so I might end up like selling these or doing who knows what with it. So I don't know what to do with them yet. And then you get like a little cool card with 100 bits, and you get it, you redeem it for free, and you can put it to any streamer that you like their content with. So that's kind of cool, I guess. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check out Miyosama on his Twitch channel, miyosama.tv. Please go support my boy. He's been working hard, been grinding hard at this. He's, I think, now playing Modern Warfare, so if you're really into that game, want to see what it's all about, check him out. Alright, but enough of promoting. Let's get back into this real quick. I already know what this is because I showed him on Instagram a minute ago. Oh, that's cool. You guys, I like that sticker. That's actually a pretty dope sticker. Not gonna lie. So I got another box logo sticker, and I got another, I think it's the pillow sticker as well, along with this kind of sticker. So dope, nice. Alright, so I gotta open this up now. Yes. Guessed it right. I got a Supreme Lantern. So, I'm not sure how to assemble this, but I will in the future. Let me see. Let me just pop it open so you guys know what it looks like at least. If you open this up, this is what it looks like. Look at that shit. You cannot tell me this isn't dope, bro. Come on. Come on. Stop fooling yourselves. Stop fooling yourselves right now. Each side. This is pretty sick. Look how big this is. Like, comparison to my head. Like, it's pretty big. It's a pretty good size. This is for sure going to go in my room. Probably just going to hang this up real quick. Okay, I don't have anywhere to hang it up yet, but you guys see it right here. It's the nice Supreme Lantern. I really wanted this so bad this whole season because it's a cool item in my room, and I'm pretty sure it's going to get its use. So if you guys don't know already, these do not come with a light. So it's just the lantern itself, and then the little metal part to keep it stable, and that's about it. So you would have to buy your own light somewhere else, unfortunately, but hey, I still dig this. I think it looks pretty cool. Nice little aesthetic to my room. I don't know where exactly I'm going to hang it up, but it will be somewhere in my backdrop. So I'm still trying to figure out some things as far as backdrop wise. Like, do you guys like this angle or do you like the other angle? You guys let me know down in the comments down below. But I will add more hype items to my collection as well. So yeah, this is the Supreme Lantern, and yeah, not a bad cop. Alright, so another thing that I got as well is a cool little Wuji shirt. So if you guys don't know, Wuji's a brand, and they make like super dope t-shirts, jackets, you name them. I'm not sure they make pants yet, but they do make like cool jacket windbreakers, and one of them is straight fire. But I ended up getting a tee because I don't know. I have so many tees, but I keep buying them. I don't know why. I feel like I don't have enough, but at the same time, I do feel like I have a lot. So this has been added to my collection. But yes, if you guys see right here, it's a Wuji tee, and I guess what he said was this is supposed to mean like don't stop, and obviously the person's gonna keep going. She's running right here, and there's a stop sign somewhere around here, and it's basically like supposed to be like an edgy rebel type of thing. Basically, don't stop, because you know, it's the way of life, man. You never stop. And I like the cool detail that they added on here on the back. I think it says, so it says ink on cotton fabric, photo taken in Kyoto, Japan. So that's what it says right there. I think that's a really sick detail that they added. It kind of gives you like an off-white vibe, just a little bit. I think it's really cool. The material that they made on this is so comfortable. I think, yeah, it's 100% cotton. So, and you want to wash this cold and tumble dry. So I would just leave this to hang dry, to be honest. Don't like shrink it, obviously. This is a size medium, and it fits almost like a large, so it fits me pretty well. I'm pretty sure that I moved up a size now, because you know, your boy's getting gains now, I guess. But this is a really dope shirt. I like the piece, and I just wear it like over a jacket and looks super fire, so yeah. So finally what we have is a Friends VLON team. Yes guys, I finally acquired one. I'm not going to mention how much I paid for it because I feel like I paid way too much for it. But this isn't a very common VLON tee. They're not, I mean, VLON in general is not very common, especially in my area. It's pretty low key, and people just don't really wear VLON like that anymore nowadays because of the whole controversy. But it is what it is. It's beyond me. I don't know. I got this green one because, you know, slat, you know that's why. But also it's super dope. I like the green with the black. I've been wearing a lot more neon green or green now because green actually looks pretty good with a lot of things that I wear, so I'm starting to wear green a little bit more. Also the V right there, V-Loan, the national trademark that they use. And this is the Friends tee, so if you guys never knew already, this is a Friends tee. As far as V-Loan goes, I only like a specific amount of things from there. I like their Friends tees, and I like their fragment collabs that they use in V-Loan. So the Friends tees are automatic fire. I like the concept of it. But the other stuff that this is like V-Loan like straight across and everything, it's not my favorite design. I think it looks kind of corny that way. V-Loan, I feel like V-Loan's kind of outdated now. Not a lot of people wear it anymore, but I still see rappers like getting V-Loan rims. I still see artists doing V-Loan collabs. Like Juice WRLD recently has done a collab with them. Palm Angels has done a collab with them recently. So V-Loan's not completely dead. So that's why I decided to pick up the T, and I decided to wear the V. Slight bars. And I also just noticed during this video, my mic isn't even attached. So this audio may be sounding a little boo-boo, but hey, I can always fix it. It's no biggie. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've gotten up till now. Make sure you guys go like this video if you like me doing content more like this. Also, subscribe to me as well if you want more stuff that I post. And also get notified by ringing the bell. Whenever I do post something, you get notified. I might do a live cop this week, but not entirely sure. The TNF collab, obviously, with Supreme is fuego. If you want me to keep you updated on whether or not if I am going to be doing it, most likely I am. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Nice Mike, with 2 E's _ Mike, and that is my IG and Twitter. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video. Deuces.
Yeah. Yeah.